Our 3-section cocktail combination station included will be an ice bin with bottles holder, sink, and a separate cups, mugs, and cups holder. Measurements for the entire setup, we have 66 inches in length and a depth of 22.5 inches and a height of 33 inches tall. Coming to the left will be our ice bin and bottles holder, and a top with dual slide doors. Included will be 2 separate containers. Each container will measure 15 3/4 inches in depth, by 5.5 inches in length. Measurements for the ice bin, we have a length of 27.5 inches, a depth of 14 inches, and a height of 12 inches tall. Drain will be included beneath the ice bin, and the front will be this compartment to hold your bottles, mugs, and cups. Measurements for this will include 30 inches in length, 4 inches in depth, and 8 inches height. Coming to the middle row will be our sink, with the sink measuring 10 inches in length, 12 inches in depth, and 7 inches in height. Measurements to the front of the sink, we have 12 inches in length, 9.5 inches in height, and a depth of 8 inches. Left and right splash guards in the front of the sink. Included will also be the strainer along with the gooseneck faucet. Measurements for the spout, we have 6.5 inches. Left and right mounts, we have a measurement of 4 inches. For our 4-section cups, mugs, and bottles holder, for our separate cups, mugs, and bottles holder, from the front to the back are 4 different sections. Each section will measure 24 inches in length, 5.25 inches in depth. Measurements from the bottom to the top bar of each quadrant is 5 inches tall. Located on each section will be the NSF certification sticker. For more information and sizes, please refer to our other cocktail and combination stations through our website. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.